Our new listing gives us bragging rights. With a Milan European-inspired vibe, located in Meadowvale Village in Mississauga, 1381 Avon Drive is absolutely spectacular. Let's get a closer look. This stunning home is fully loaded with almost 4,000 square feet of total living space, with 4 bedrooms and an incredible basement complete with an entertainment area, a bar, a kitchenette, and so much more. 4 gorgeous bathrooms renovated tastefully. 1381 Avon Drive has head-turning curb appeal, a double-door entry majestic lion's mane mural on the door, and a romantic upper terrace. Perennial gardens landscape front and back for your enjoyment. It's just the beginning here. With a welcoming grand entrance greeting you with a phenomenal walk-through floor plan, abundant natural light, gorgeous wrought iron staircase, ornate chandeliers, and crown molding makes for a true fine living experience. The home has mixed travertine tiles and strip hardwood floors, leading you through a formal sitting area with an open ceiling featuring an ornate mezzanine balcony. Make your way to the study, a private room to call your own for business, and a home library. Continue on to the exquisite chef's kitchen, traditional shaker-style antique white cabinetry, and hand-carved detailing. Extended cabinet molding with Tuscan smooth cornice, dark granite countertops, Carrara marble backsplash. It has a custom-built range hood enclosure and 5 gas burner stovetop, island and storage, modern integrated refrigerator, and a built-in double-wall oven. Enjoy many great meals, lively conversations, and entertaining from the Eden dining area to the transitional family room with the warm ambiance of the peninsula-style 3-sided gas fireplace. Let the magnificent curved staircase lead you up to the second-level mezzanine hardwood floors, take you to 4 large bedrooms and beautiful bathrooms. The grand primary suite with a Roman-inspired ensuite bathroom, sun-kissed bay window with private seating area, and a walk-in closet. Enjoy your 6-piece bath featuring couples private vanities, black granite countertops and undermount sinks, brass fixtures, antique white woodwork, and white hand-carved detailing, and has a custom Versace laser-etched shower door with gold framing. Take the party downstairs with the entertainer's dream space, including games and recs room with built-in speaker system, a high-top bar, gym area, and a hotel-style kitchenette, complete with a powder room and a +1 potential that can be converted to a bedroom to make it your own. Walk out to a fully fenced backyard, landscaped and surrounded by neighboring mature trees, a great space to lounge and make memories. This home offers everything and more, with a magical community surrounded by charming parks and multiple walking trails like Samuelson Circle Loop and Levi's Valley Park, as well as the Meadowvale Conservation Area, great for dog walks and fishing. Amenities include Bray Bend Championship Golf Course, Streetsville Glen Golf Club, and the Derrydale Golf Course, all nearby, the Vardy Athletic Elite Fitness Center, and enjoy fine eateries and shops in Streetsville, like Blackstone Steakhouse, Chop Steakhouse, Pacini Italian, Andiamo Pasta Plus, and the Wynn Japanese and Thai. Schools are abundant just steps away from your front door, both Catholic and public. Minutes to the Meadowvale GO station and all major highways such as the 407 and 401. Opulent, sexy, and grand is what best describes 1381 Avon Drive. Give me a call at 416-897-6691 and let's get you moving the mellow way.